shall be called. Watch Mia never get a date again. I took a Q-tip and I cleaned the inside of the filter and like, what? Oh my God. Like that is just so gross. It's so not right. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know what your first thought is. Mia, you're really trying to rack in those views, huh? You're right. Yes, I am. In today's video, as you probably read by the title, I'm going to be demoing and reviewing the Project E Beauty Vacuum and Blackhead, well, it's a vacuum for blackhead removal therapy. And it just looks like that. I haven't opened the package or anything. It's still in like the plastic wrap and everything. So I'm gonna go over it a little bit with you guys. This might be a little bit more of like a chit-chatty type of thing because I'm going to probably let you know how to use it, tell you what the instructions say. So if you don't like when I speak, why are you here? Luckily for you, there's an X. See ya. I'm a little nervous to be doing this video because when I previewed it on my Instagram, I had a lot of people say, you know, I received face hickeys, not from this exact one from Project E Beauty, but there are a lot of them out there, and people said that they, because of the suction, it gave them like face hickeys. I had one girl say that it looked like she got beat to a pulp. Really hoping that that's not the case. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what happens. Once again, Mia's not prepared, meaning I don't have scissors. Oh, I do have my little mustache shaver. Yes! Okay. See? Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. All right, so this is what the package looks like. It's just a cardboard box and it just has the, you know, vacuum on one side and it just has the words on the other side. And let's see what it says here. Made in China, feature function. So it says, thank you for purchasing the Body E Beauty, Body E. It just says Project, the Project E Beauty Vacuum Blackhead Remover. This device utilizes 5 different heads to treat a variety of skin conditions. What separates this device from other beauty devices is the extra strong vacuum suction feature. I'm about to be naked and afraid. This function takes skincare to the next level and you will achieve results more effectively and faster than imaginable. Once again, I'm afraid. There is a correlation between this bacterial spread and a pore becoming visible to the eye. If the pore becomes blocked, the environment becomes anaerobic. Am I pronouncing that right? AKA oxygen free. Ideal for, excuse me? Propionibacterium acne, which spreads like wildfire. That's what it says. This leads to inflammation and blemishes. Who are you telling, sir? I got like nipples on my face. It goes ahead and explains what a normal pore looks like. It says a normal amount of oil is secreted from the pore, but a blocked pore, it says oil trapped in the pore oxidizes and solidifies, causing clogged pores and blackheads. So that's what that looks like there. And then it just says use of the device. It says blackheads should not be removed by squeezing with fingertips or fingernails, as this can damage the skin and cause further inflammation. Usually when I do it myself, don't listen. I take my knuckles and squeeze it. It usually works and doesn't break the skin, but I'm sure it's still not good for the skin. So it says for best results, the pores of the skin should be enlarged. For this reason, it is a good idea to perform your skincare routine when taking your bath, as heat from hot water will enlarge your pores. For best results, use the appliance 1 to 2 times a week as part of your skincare routine. So I did just wash my face, but that was like a little bit ago. So let me get a rag and I'm gonna put some warm water just like on my nose. I'm just gonna do my nose and my chin. I don't really have blackheads anywhere else. I mean, I might do my cheeks. These ones, not these ones. So I'll just let that sit there for a minute. Because I'm gonna do what it says, because if I get hickeys on my face, my God, it'll be like high school all over again. I have a rag with some warm water on it, and I'm just gonna put it on the areas. All right, I can figure out how to open the box. Shouldn't be that hard, but okay. All right, we're there. We did it. When you open up the box, it looks like this. I can see it's encased with foam. ET foam home. Oh no, I think it needs to be charged. Shit. That, or I just need to plug it in. I have to charge it. Alright, well that was fun. So I had to charge it for about an hour. Your girl is back in the new groove. I think that's the words to that song. Let's get back to where we were. So I was just going over a little bit in the pamphlet while this was charging, and I want to go ahead and go over what was in that little foam part that I showed in the last clip, I believe. So this is what the actual product looks like. First of all, I'll just show you it. It just looks like something that I keep beside my bedside. Just kidding. This is why people aren't going to send me things anymore. But it looks like this, and it comes with a little tip that's already on there. I think you just twist them off. Yep, so it just twists off like that. So I'm going to go over the little tips with you guys. So it says choose the right tip. So the small round suction tip, I believe, is this one. It looks like that. It just says that it's for weak and gentle suction. It is used to remove small blackheads at the delicate area, best for thin, tender, and sensitive skin. So I think when we start out, maybe we should use this one, but seeing as I'm hardcore AF, I'm gonna go in with probably something a little more, you know, abrasive and probably end up messing up my face. The next one is the medium round suction tip, which this is, looks like this. It says for strong and powerful suction. It's the best to be used to remove blackheads, grease, cosmetic residue, etc. I'll probably go in with this guy. This one is for body use, which this is pretty cool because I had no idea that this is what this does. So as you can see, this is really big. So I was looking at it, I'm like, how's that gonna get into certain areas? It says it promotes blood circulation, speeds up muscle recovery. It says it allows new blood flow to flow into the area of tissues to enhance circulation. So too bad, because if I could on YouTube, I would show you it on here because I'm very curious what it feels like. So I might do it off camera. Save that for my premium Snapchat. Just kidding, I do not have a premium Snapchat. Swear. And then the next one says it is the oval section tip. It says for skin lifting, which I didn't know that it did this either. It says it pulls upwards to treat fine lines. It increases the skin's elasticity and firmness. So this product is not only for like blackhead removal, it's good for muscle stimulation and fine lines and wrinkles, which I had no idea. That's pretty cool. And then last but not least is more of a, what's the word? The microdermabrasion, pretty much. So it's a little crystal on the end of it, and it's kind of like a pumice stone. It says it is dead skin exfoliation tip. It said it exfoliates dead skin that is left on the outer layer of the face, leaving your skin feeling instantly smooth. It says you can use it anywhere. Just be very careful around the eyes. Don't go too close. It said other areas such as your knees and elbows are suitable. I will link below. I did do a microdermabrasion video. It's kind of the same thing. It looked like a little bit, well, it actually looked very similar to this, but I only received a microdermabrasion tip. So if you want to see that video, or if you're interested in getting microdermabrasion at home, I will link that below for you. Let's get started. So it says you can disinfect the tips with alcohol using a cloth. Do not use a scrub, cream, or exfoliant beforehand. All I did was just washed my face with my Cetaphil. I didn't put toner or anything like that on. It says use a steamer or a hot towel or blackhead removal gel cream, 5 minutes to completely open your pores. Oh, I'm scared. All right, here we go. It says press the on or off button to turn on the device. Oh my God, here we go. I believe this is the on off button. Oh, and it's vibrating. Okay, so blue, it says level 1 is the blue light and level 2 is the green light. Let me show you. And level 3 is the red light, which is the strongest suction. So it goes, like I said, blue, green, red. And then it says after your treatment, use a cold steamer or cold towel together with moisturizer or other skincare products to shrink the pores after. Okay, So I think I'm gonna go in with the smallest little suction head, and you just push it on and it just goes right on. I don't know, is there a filter already on this? Don't think so. Oh, I don't know. Hold on, wait. I think that there might be. Yeah, okay, so there's already a little filter in there. All I did was just twist off the little part that's right underneath where you put the tip. Okay. I'm gonna have to turn the brightness up a little bit, guys. I know it looks crazy right now, but okay. So I'm gonna put it on the red setting. Oh my God. Okay, that's definitely. Ew, yeah. So it's definitely sucking out gross stuff. I'm gonna show you guys a close up when I'm done. Oh my God. Ew. That's actually really disgusting. It's kind of painful. But then again, if it's really painful for you, you could. I'm sickened. If it's too painful though, you can always adjust the suction level. Oh my God. That's really gross. But it's kind of hard to get like. Oh my God, isn't that nasty? It smells weird. Oh my God, this is so funky. Ew. And I get them on my chin too. This is crazy. Ugh. All of that nasty pus and blackheads and just nastiness in there. Look at that. Oh my God, that was in my face. Look at that in there. Oh my God. I'm taking the bigger circle one now and I'm going along my cheeks. Oh, okay. That cannot be real. Oh. Wow. That is so gross. Oh my God, it's really like so nasty. What? Oh. Definitely is starting to look like I got beat up. This one though. What? Like, I am throwing up. That was in my face. So, yeah, not expecting to get any sort of cute DMs or date requests anytime soon. So I look a little crazy, but that's because, you know, you were sucking your face. So don't have any plans to go out after you plan on doing this, because like my face is super red, but it does say that it'll go down with time. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the crystal tip, and I'm gonna try to exfoliate my nose. I'm just gonna use the green one for this. So it's still sucking out, but it's exfoliating the skin as well. Cause my nose, I'm gonna go to red actually. My nose gets dry super quick. All right guys, so like I just showed you, my face is super red, but that is going to happen when you use this. It will go away within time though, probably like 30 minutes to an hour, I would think. Overall, after the clips that I inserted to show you what it looks like it's absolutely disgusting that that's on my face or like inside my pores. Blech. But I actually live for it because I like that nasty kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty pleasantly surprised and happy with this product. I will be using it as part of my routine because that's just, I do not want any of that on my face. That was just disgusting. So I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is MiaOff5, but it is for 10% off, and it's from now until September 30th. So if you want to purchase your own, I will leave a link in the description box for you so that you can go ahead and do so. Once again, that's MiaOff5, but that's for 10% off. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it didn't make you too sick, but if you're like me, you're into that kind of stuff. I love watching pimple popping and all that fun stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay Bella. Mwah. Bye guys.